Well, as far as Article 4 is concerned, wala nang chance ang prosecution to present any evidence, no? Ang magpe-present na ng evidence, kung magpe-present nga, is yung defense na, yung respondent na.
Oo.
So,
So,
pwede kasing hindi sila mag-present, ganun ba yun, attorney?
pwede rin kasi pwede nilang sabihin na mahina yung ebidensya ng prosecution, so might as well let that stand, no?
Pero tama, may
Or
chance
pwede rin
pa
nilang
ba
gawin.
during cross-examination kung magpe-present ang defense?
Yeah, that's a good question. It also depends kung ano yung ilalatag na depensa ng respondent to provide the prosecution some avenues, no, in cross, no. Pero mahina na yun kasi pag cross examination you are limited to kung ano lang yung piniresenta ng respondent.
Alam nyo, Attorney Michael, nung maski nung unang beses nag-attempt ng impeachment nung Cheese pa ang Senate President saka ngayon, laging sinasabi na ang pinakamalakas nilang isinusulong ay itong article
Grave
na
threat.
ito, yung grave threat.
Yes.
So is it safe to say now na mukhang kailangan mag-focus na doon sa mga susunod na articles after what we've seen itong past 9 days?
Yes, and the lesson is, and ito actually, this is parang sort of a homework rin for all of us kasi
Yeah.
when we talk about impeachment kasi, we shouldn't be trapped doon sa legalities, sa technicalities, no? Napakatagal ng panahon na or attention na binuhos ng prosecution dun sa idea of grave threat. Right? Na hindi nila masyado nabigyan ng attention yung pagtagpi doon sa betrayal of public trust,
Yeah.
no?